What's up, guys? It is currently January 12th, 2024. Hold on a second. I'm going to turn that music down real quick. It is about 10 a.m. over here in the UK, and I might have made an oopsie, but I don't know. So I'm getting my keys today. I'm doing my walkthrough today for my apartment, and this was not how I was expecting today to go. I was expecting to have a car vlog and stuff like that today, but I ordered some furniture to show up today, and the initial text messages that I got said, yeah, your furniture will be delivered anytime between 3 and 4. Okay, that's fine. You know, my walkthrough is at 11, so I'm here an hour early. And then I got a message saying, hey, part of your delivery is going early, which in normal cases is great. Yeah, show up early. I don't even have access to the apartment yet. And it said that it can show up anytime between 9:30 and 11:30. And I'm like, fuck, you're like 4.5 hours early. Fuck. So now I'm sitting here for at least the next hour until the delivery truck shows up. Hopefully they don't show up until I'm at least in my walkthrough or my final walkthrough, or after I've been given the keys and I can give them access, because like I said, my appointment isn't until 11 and they give me the keys, so like my lease starts today. They give me the keys at 11. So this truck coming early could be good, could be not. It's got my bed stuff, like my bed frame and my mattress and stuff like that, and some other things. I've got a couple of packages that are showing up. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I'm excited. This week has been very, very long. Can't believe I'm still in the same week, because I signed the paperwork last, I think, Thursday, and they said, yeah, you can move in next Friday. But this week has gone extremely, extremely slow, and I've finally just been getting everything together. The final transition from the hotel that I've been staying in, the on-base lodging I've been staying in, to my apartment, the final transition won't probably be until Monday, the 15th, I think. And that's just so that I can take my time and I've got the weekend to move some stuff over and then get the apartment actually situated and cleaned up and furnished, because like I've got this giant box back here and that's just filled with a bunch of kitchen supplies, you know, pots, pans, Tupperware, knives, scissors, you know, all that other fun stuff. And this has been sitting back here for the last week. So finally getting everything actually put together and all the stuff out of my car, going back and forth to the base to get more stuff, to pack up stuff, to bring it over here, just to unpack it again. Thankfully, this is the last time I'll have to do this packing and unpacking ritual for at least the next year, hopefully the next 2 years, because I'm going to be here for 2 years. And if all goes well with my tenancy here and my landlord doesn't have a problem with me, which I don't think she will, you know, if nothing goes wrong, then there's talk about, you know, doing an additional year, because right now this lease is only until the end of 2024. But I don't see any projected problems. You know, I'd like to think that I'm pretty clean, I'm pretty organized, I'm not a disruption. We are going to be cranking out a lot of content this year, as you've seen from the prior videos that I've been talking about. That I'm going to get a nice recording studio set up, which is something that I haven't had before. You know, I've either been sitting at a desk in my dorm room or in my kitchen or whatever. So this is going to be nice, actually having a decent recording setup. I'm going to be getting new mics, so I won't be using the H1N recorder anymore, which I've been using for the last 2 years. But I'm going to be getting some new mics. I'm going to be getting, you know, a new desk, new chair, new computer monitors, everything. So it's going to be a lot better. Hopefully, we're going to be doing a lot more live streams this year. But yeah, I'm just going to chill. Signal here isn't the best, which sucks because my internet isn't going to be sent, you know, until like next Wednesday. I mean, it's hooked up. The internet is available right now, but my router is not going to be sent for the next probably 3 or 4 days. So that's going to be interesting. But yeah, I'm just going to chill here, do what I can. Hopefully the DHL truck doesn't show up until at least while I'm in my walkthrough getting my keys. If that happens, it's not too big of a problem. But if it shows up prior to then I'm going to have to figure out what to tell them, if they can come back later or if they can fit stuff in my car, which there's no way they can fit a mattress in my car. because I'm in a pretty small car. So yeah, we'll hope for the best on that, but of course prepare for the worst. And I don't know what preparing for the worst would look like, but yeah. Hopefully next scene will be actually in the apartment doing the walkthrough. All right, what's up, everybody? We are in my apartment. Yes. I think the last update y'all had was I was in my car about to do the walkthrough. Yeah, that was on Friday. This is currently Monday. Lots happened. As you can see, I'm set up at least a little bit. Excuse me. I'm set up at least a little bit. Let me give you a tour. You saw a little bit when I was doing the initial walkthrough, but let me give you another tour and go a little bit more in depth this time. Okay, so I am in a building. I'm in an apartment building. So front door, right? You walk in, and this is a flat. Okay, so for Americans, it's a small apartment. Okay, everybody overseas, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so you come in, and immediately once you come in, to your right, you've got a guest bath. Okay, not too bad. Okay, you then have the master bedroom. Okay, and I am about to have the PBA Players Championship up on my laptop because I don't have any TVs in here yet. Okay, and then I've got this built-in wardrobe here that I've got all my stuff in. And the reason I have this blanket up is because the curtains that I ordered came in the wrong size. So they were like 3 feet curtains, and I need like 8 or 9 feet curtains for this, because this is a door for a tiny little, not even patio thing that goes out to the front of the building. So I gotta have that there for privacy. Master suite, which is nice. Yeah, I knew that was gonna come on eventually. Okay, and then if you walk back out here, we've got what will be the office. Okay, quick little break in the video, guys. I am in my office. So what you are about to see in this clip is before my office was done. The office still totally isn't done yet. I still have a few more things that I want to put in here. So like I want to have, excuse the Pepsi bottle. I want to have another monitor up here. I want to have another monitor over here, and then the main computer right there. But I do at least have the camera set up, some lights set up, and these cool lights in the background over here. And before the rest of the video continues, I hope you all are enjoying this video so far. If you are, I would appreciate it if you clicked like on the video, if you subscribed. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the remainder of the flat in this video versus the video that's totally outdated. What you would see in that video is me coming in my office here, and it would be completely trash pile. Yes, there's still trash in here, but it would be a complete mess because the desk hadn't shown up yet, and I had a bunch of stuff on the floor, and these corner lights wouldn't be there. Excuse me. Those corner lights wouldn't be there. I don't want you to think that I'm not totally set up yet. But the rest of the flat that you would see, okay, once you come out of the office, and continue down this hall, you've got a storage area right here with a lot of storage space. And then you come into the main room in the back, which right now has a lot of move-in boxes and stuff. That's actually from the TV stand, because I don't have a TV yet, but that box is from the TV stand. That box is from the desk because that just came in. You have a nice big kitchen that's got my trash everywhere. You'll see that as a running theme. But nice big modern kitchen. Okay, I do have a washer and dryer in there, and then this is actually my fridge. That's pretty cool because it's hidden in with the cabinets. And then in here is the main living area, and the doors that I have in my bedroom, I have the same French doors back here. But because this is the back of the building, and in my bedroom is the front of the building, with it being the back of the building, there are a bunch of trees. There's a big tree line back there, so I'm not worried about neighbors looking in or anything. But that front of the building pair of doors, if I didn't have that blanket there, which I still have there, if I didn't have that blanket there, you could see everything that I do in my bedroom. So obviously that needed to be there. But yeah, so you've got this nice mid-century modern couch right here, a geometric area rug, the glass table. I've got my chessboard on there, some more trash. And then I just got this TV stand in today, and I'm gonna hook my PS4 up out here. I'm gonna hook up a 55-inch TV out here. And yeah, that's the apartment. Is just this small 657 square foot apartment. So yes, there's a lot of trash, but I've been moving in, so there have been a lot of boxes that have been coming and a lot of packages and a lot of stuff that I just haven't taken these boxes out to the recycling bin yet, and I've got to take out all of the styrofoam that's in them because you can't put styrofoam in the recycling. And if apparently the disposable people here, if you put non-recyclable stuff in the recycling bin, they won't take it. So I have to take all of the styrofoam out of those boxes, and that's one reason why they're just sitting here. But anyway, let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so I thought I was gonna have more footage to include in this vlog, but I guess this is just gonna be a hodgepodge worth of stuff. I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smack that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to get this number closer to this number by the end of the year. The goal is 60,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Be tuned for live streams coming soon. Now that I have this great setup going, the streams should be a lot better, a lot more interactive, a lot more vibrant and nice and soothing and calming and all that stuff, right? Versus me doing a live stream from the kitchen, which a lot of you OGs will remember, or me doing a live stream from a dorm room or something like that, right? I'm actually doing it from an actual office. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more videos. My goal this year is still to do one video a week for the entire year because I didn't upload anything last year. So far, we are crushing it with that. So be on the lookout for videos to come on Monday at around, I think 8 a.m. is when they've been posting Eastern time. So be aware of the new uploading schedule. I'm going to have a lot of guests on. I'm going to continue with the Your Story podcast that I started 2 years ago. No, a year and some change ago is when I started that podcast. So yeah, make sure to keep an eye out for that. Like I said, if you like this video, make sure you click that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.